Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make Iron Man Mark 85 action figure from Avengers Endgame. So in this video, I am going to show you the full tutorial of the Iron Man action figure. So first, you will need papers required is scissors, materials required is scissors, tape, yellow color paper, red and small pieces of blue color paper. So first, in red color A4 size paper, you need to fold it and mark 4 centimeters, 4 centimeter 4 times, and make it tubes. So these two are the legs, and these two are the hands. You can just make 4 times and then make it into tubes. And the yellow color paper, do the same thing like this. 4 tubes and then paint it here for red. So these are the hands and legs here. So you can see. After that, I have the body, which is 7.5 or 6 centimeter, and the blue color heart. I have made it here, and then I drew designs and I folded and made it into a tube. Here yellow color designs is also there, and here also black color designs. And then I have the last Mark 85 helmet. So this is white color here, and then this is a red color tube easily. And in these boots, I have made 2 blue color circles for him to fly like this. He had these blue in endgame. So now we'll just arrange everything and I'll show you. So the body comes here, and then the head comes here. After it comes here, and then this part comes here, this part comes here. Yeah, like this, and then yeah, it is like this. And then here 2 arms, then here these 2 leggings and these 2 jet turbines. So this is the Iron Man Mark 85 action figure from Avengers Endgame. Now it's the tape part. Now for this you will require tape. Only for the cutting it needs scissors, so 4 centimeter, and then you can mark it and cut it. So now we'll stick these 2. Take a stripe of tape, take this here, this design should be back here like this, and stick the hand. Yeah, so we're done with one hand here. Take one more stripe, stick it here, and then take this one, stick it here, and just fold it, press it here, so it'll be easily to bend. So it'll be easy to bend. So we are done with the hands here. Now we need the legs. So I made this legs, the strap and a blue color here. Then we'll be looking more good and awesome. And after that, we have the turbine. We just need to stick these 2 here like this, and then close it like this. So I have made the red color up. This is just a halving here, and then the blue color jet line here. And you have to do the same thing for the next leg. Here one, and here one. So we are done with the legs here. It can easily stand here like this. Now we need a connection of body and hands. The connection from body till hand. So take a small stripe, take this here, and take the yellow part, stick it here, and then here. So we are done, and a black design you can see here a little bit here. Do the same thing to the next hand also. You can get this template in Google Chrome. You just need to type how to draw Iron Man from Endgame. You'll also get the Infinity War. You just need to take the template and then draw it and then make it into tubes and stick it. So for the legs you have to do in the up direction and stick it here. And then we're done. For the other leg, you just need to stick it here like this, and you just need to don't stick it too close or the Iron Man cannot be bendable. These two blue turbines. Okay, so we are done with the heart. Here also the heart is also there. One thing, the problem of the paper action figures is it shouldn't get wet, because my Iron Man action figure little got wet here. That's why it'll be fully spoiled. So try not to go near wet things. And then done. Here we are done with the Iron Man action figure. You can see all these designs here, and then arm designs, and then here I just made these things just for having a good look, and then these two here with the paints, and then a jet turbine, yellow color thing, white color, and this is the helmets, yellow color design, and this is a back place. You shouldn't stick the tape in the front like this, because the tape should go back. If it goes back, the front will look more good. So you should take care that the tape goes back like this. And this thing, you can do this thing in the last. You just need to take one small stripe, a stripe of paper which is same length of this, and then put a tape till here and then backwards, and a blue color thing. Same thing for here. This I had painted, and this is inside the body. You can stick any wool or cotton, then it will be more strong. And this arc reactor, I made it into diamond shape. You can make it even circle shape. And then these yellow color things here. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel.